how to create a landing page on GetResponse. So first, go to GetResponse and then go to your dashboard. Next is just click on create landing page here under quick actions. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. Okay, here you just need to you can either use a ready-made template or an AI powered builder. So let's just use a template. Then of course choose your template. So I'll just choose the first one. Click on use template. Then here you just need to customize all of this for your landing page. So once, let's say I am done customizing it, right? So you just need to click on continue here at the top right corner. And next is, of course, you just need to customize this settings here as well. So let's say I'm done customizing it. Just click on continue again. Then just click on publish and you are done. So that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.